Welcome! Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A60 and I'm gonna show you how to change the ratio of picture while using a camera at this device. So at first you have to click on the camera button here, and now we are in the standard camera modes, and here we can change the ratio by tapping on this button with 3 and 4, and here we can pick the other ratios. So we can pick from 3 and 4, 9 and 16, 1 and 1, and full screen ratio also. And also here we get access to the best possible quality of this camera, which is 32 megapixels with ratio 3 and 4. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.